And a baby born in Missouri yesterday will have an interesting story to tell about his birth date. This 8-pound baby boy was born at 9:10 a.m. on 11/12/13. So it's 9/10, 11/12/13. The baby is named Carson Lee, and he was born at Independence, Missouri, to two very happy parents. By the way, Quinkadink, Carson's dad, is a math teacher.
First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
When you caught the part, these 8 pounds. 8 pounds, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Two parents, so we got to fill in the gap there, between 2 and 8. We'll think of something real quick. Anyway, the numbers here are chilly this morning in southern Kentucky thanks to that powerful cold front that sent the temperatures plummeting down pretty quickly and brought us that little taste of winter weather yesterday morning. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. Our numbers 23. That's the cold temperatures that we're feeling across southern Kentucky this morning, and we are seeing some temperatures even colder than that. Here's a look at the mesonet sites across southern Kentucky under a clear sky and with high pressure overhead. We check the mesonet sites. 2, 3, 4, and there's Burkesville at 17, 19 in Campbellsville and Hodgenville, some 20s. Most everybody else at least low 20s across the area. Not much recovery today thanks to a north wind that is still going to be with us at times, and that north wind is only going to help temperatures stay in the low 40s, about where we were yesterday afternoon. Despite all the sunshine that we're going to see around southern Kentucky in the Lake Cumberland area, only 43 today for Columbia, 42 for Russell Springs, Jamestown, Albany at 44, same for Burkesville. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot tonight estimated to be at $110 million, and the next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $149 million. Here is the skies over Bowling Green in southern Kentucky this morning from Doppler Cam. We're just waiting on the sunrise this morning, and as I mentioned a little bit earlier, we can tell usually if there's a little bit of a light wind and which direction it's blowing, because we are looking east, waiting on the sunrise. So we look at the what's called the Kibble Steam Stack, the Hills Pet Food Plant, which is across the street from us. And so if we're looking east, then you see the steam that's going off to the south. So we have a wind from the north. That's a nice little guide to just, if you're passing by Russellville Road and you happen to see that, you can kind of tell which way the wind's blowing. And here we go. The wind's out of the northwest, very light, 23 degrees currently. Very dry atmosphere, rising barometer. Here's a look now from the AAA Systems Weather Cam in Munfordville. In Hart County, you're starting at a chilly 21 degrees under a clear sky. Same for Russellville. You're at 22 at this hour in Logan County. And there's the Sleep In Weather Cam, I-65 and exit 22, the Greenwood exit, we call it. 23, the current temperature reading there. It's 23 at the Bowling Green Airport, 19 Indianapolis, 18 Peoria. Everybody, even far south into Georgia, feeling the 20s for temperatures here in the middle of November. That's a bit unusual. We're running 11 degrees colder than we were at this hour just yesterday. Look at the 20-plus degree drops in temperature further south, and notice the warm-up happening off to the north and west. That's a sign of things to come for us eventually. Radar all clear after we got rid of the shower activity. A little bit of snow showers showing up there off to the north and east of us, but high pressure in total domination of our weather now. And with the chilly start that we have this morning, it's because we've been sitting right under the dome of high pressure and on the east side of it. But as the high begins to move eastward, we get more of a what we call a return flow, more of a south-southwesterly wind flow, and that's naturally going to warm things up over the next few days. We're not too concerned about that front off to the north of us. This high pressure ridge is pretty strong, so look for sunny days, clear nights, temperatures gradually warming up as we go through the next few days. But as we get into the weekend, the next storm system we'll be looking at will have a decent chance of rain and possibly even a few thunderstorms, believe it or not, by Saturday into Sunday. Sunny, continued chilly today, only about 44, and then for tonight, 24 under a mainly clear sky. Tomorrow, we'll make it back to 55. And sunny, breezy, warmer with that south wind at 11. 56 Friday. A few more clouds Saturday, and by Saturday evening, showers will roll in after a high of 64, and then it looks a bit stormy Sunday, I should say, with some wind-driven rain, some thunder and lightning, maybe about an inch of rain between Sunday and Monday. And then look, another Arctic blast comes in for Tuesday of next week.